it for your friends, I mean, do it.
You hungry? Say something to eat, man. Okay, so no, I'm gonna buy one, man. How much you buy that?
You have no bag, sir?
Yeah, man, my bag.
I look at both of them.
How much you buy that?
$30.
Alright, give me my buy that change. Yeah, water. Water, don't you? Buy it for Gwaan, so okay? You can't buy it for Gwaan, so okay? Do that. I'm not bag juice.
Come on, buy bag juice.
Make up, you know money.
Can you get my food here?
So you don't eat the chicken again?
Yeah?
You better not full.
What kind of sweet do you want?
Which one?
Sir?
Okay.
Which one?
Which one?
So you went by jail.
Eh?
So you went by jail.
That's right.
You sure, man? I can't take it time though, you must leave. Oh.
No.
Alright, sure. Don't get niece, man. How make? Say feety?
Yeah.
How make? Yeah, big man. Big man and sweetie. Give big sweetie, man.
Yo. Yo.
Come on, go for cool. Cause ready for good one, so. So me not thirsty. I'm not the money for me, I know. I got that money. What I tell him to you, buy my juice, no? Like my bowl and sweetie. Buy my Pepsi.
Are you buying me this?
Yeah, like I'm buy it, you can buy me something back too.
No, yeah.
Yes, sir, come in. Yeah, so sweetie though. Alright, peace, you're on the riverside again, you know? I was gonna say river dirty, but it'll be rain. And it clean last night, you know? Yeah. So, my jerk chicken, so I do a jerk
Chicken.
jerk orange barbecue chicken.
Boom.
And sir, nobody do that, alright?
Yeah, me
Alright.
nobody would like. Mr. Bombat.
Alright, so get the chicken clean up.
Can't see, yeah, me can't see her now.
See, cool there at the same speed, you know? Alright. Get the chicken clean up now, so when we're done clean up, check back.
Yeah, some crazy.
And more peeps, you get chicken and wash off, you know?
Yeah. Subscribe on YouTube.
YouTube or you mean to?
YouTube.
Alright.
Subscribe
You know, you can
on
wash off. Oh. So guys, we soak fast. I cut it with the chicken, you know? We soak fast and also
Subscribe on YouTube. You know. So magic you up.
the season can soak down night fast and chicken can soak fast.
That's true.
So I use Maggi season. And jerk season right here. Come closer. So there's some dry rub jerk season and some jerk season also from jerk. Grace me mean. Yeah.
Yes, 5 feet up. Put it on
And
YouTube.
some Maggi.
You see it, guys?
And rub up.
Now rub it up. Make it soak now. See carrots? Yes. So me see want to see fire catch the coal. See it. Subscribe and room.
Guys, me not use no salt because the Maggi season have been salt already and them thing there, so I don't want the salt, you know. I use this now, the grace season now, the grace jerk season.
Guys. Yeah, look on the channel, is it?
Alright. That's supposed to be good now, you know. And we have this now. This one like a chicken now.
Make a jerk on chicken. See it here, guys? Yeah. So because you put it out there. Alright. Make a jerk on.
No. Nope. Bye bye.
Oh.
It'll pop up.
Yeah, pop up, man.
Guys, but now I put on this, guys. You see butter off?
Pop up.
Put it over now. Pop it. Yeah, follow me, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah. See, I guess they know, guys, that pop up is it. Because you just have to put it on the top.
Like this.
Yeah.
And like that. Alright?
Put that on YouTube.
So we have it.
Subscribe. Back to
Orange juice.
orange juice.
Barbecue sauce. Our ketchup.
Yeah. Carrot paper.
And also, yeah, 2 plantain.
Yes, guys. See, 2 plantain.
So they make a roast for me and the youth, you know. So
Yeah.
film one and film one. Alright. Alright, so we soon check back, guys. Oh, hold on there. Guys, I use the orange juice
Just
and
spray
I
upon it,
drink
is
chicken,
it?
yeah. And also the sauce.
And
So.
drink it, is it?
No, left. Alright guys, so we got chef stick here. And we got the fork. So we do like a chicken between this.
Yeah.
And the fork.
Put it on YouTube.
So,
Is
I
it?
first stir this now piece.
Yes, please. Yeah, jerks,
keep on turning it.
guys. Is it?
Alright. Some
There?
nice chef stick.
Yeah, rose. Is it, guys?
You know, easy.
Hear it, man. Yeah.
It's so fast, you see me, guys?
See, guys. Let it soak fast. That's why you put that. That's why you put that over. You see it. Put it on YouTube channel.
Good peeps, there's a kill him. Can it's sweetie plus the bola. I look at it and more water. So I feel after that. You drink enough for them. So that means say the orange juice, you're not getting none. Sniff out of there. Enough you can drink. No. You drink for you one time. You drink for you one time. Yeah man guys, so do chicken, you know. Alright. On the other side, as you see the dirty. If I did clean last night, the dirty I know. I still got nature. But still I come down here same way and listening nice sound. Chuck no? The nice sound at the river. You can hear the bird chirp sometime. When the breeze blow, you can hear the tree man look together and thing. Very nice. Yeah. So guys, remember, like the video, leave a comment, share it out, and subscribe. Get other people to join the movement, you see me? We're a family. Yeah. And also, watch your ads, because I don't know, say, that's how I make a revenue. So just watch your ads. It sometimes ads them long, and to be honest, it's kind of impossible to watch all the ads sometime, but watch some of it before you skip it. You see me? Because that's how I make a revenue. So, do it right. So what your side?
13.
13? So now Basil.
Basil in Gwaan.
Yo. You say Gwaan?
Yeah.
So you bring like you say Gwaan?
Huh?
Who you bring like you say Gwaan?
Where you bring?
I don't bring say, I'm a football fan. See the ball to him say Gwaan?
No.
How am I ball?
Ball.
So who you want to wake up?
Huh?
Who you on when you wake up?
Sunday. Gio.
Gio? Which side in Gio?
I
Guys,
never play
leave in the comment section and tell me which side in Gio. Because
Brazil.
me personally don't know.
Brazil.
Yeah, what's it
One
mean?
nail, yellow shirt.
Me personally don't know who name Gio, because I'm not football, so leave in the comments and tell me which side in Gio. Because I don't know. I
One
don't
in
know
a
what that
yellow
was.
shirt.
Brazil?
No.
Oh,
One
me no
different
know.
team.
Alright.
In a yellow shirt.
One thing about it. Oh, remember you tell me, yeah? Cool? Alright. Come on, talk about my name. Sir Ronaldinho.
Eh?
Sir Ronaldinho.
Anidino.
It again.
Anidino.
Because you can call Ronaldinho. You need that all.
My side that.
Yeah man guys, so one time me I chew on the orange chicken, checking back, so we don't know anything go. Alright, so soon come back, right? I say watch the ads. Alright. Yeah man guys, we ketchup, barbecue sauce, and orange juice. Put them weak.
Oh.
Yo.
No?
Turn up man. Normally guys, I use like a beer and something there. Something different today. Like orange juice and hydrate the chicken. So the sauce I rub on it after the chicken finish jerk. And the onion now, I just throw on it. There it is.
Yeah, right.
Lucky.
Comfortable.
It ain't good. It tastes good.
It tastes good, man.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, man, it tastes good.
Alright guys, so okay, you know, fall. So I do. When they start, so I make a bigger fire because the coal I give me a warm time. It finally start blazing now. And guys, I stir all them char here and burn apart because jerk chicken are really healthy, you know. It's about 100% healthy because the char, they say can lead up to cancer. I put it up on the screen now so you can see what Gwaan. Yeah. But the chicken finally come like it hard. It start break, it start cook. Or the leg and the breast and all that. It's so good because I don't know nothing go. So just keep on juk it up and turn. Alright. The man peeps the youth catch the fire. To roast the plant in the meantime because I don't know hungry and thing. So yeah. And then show a little orange juice on the chicken, you know. I'm gonna say keep on hydrated with the orange juice. Go by and back. Thing going steam. Yeah man guys, this is what I'm gonna peeps. So I'm soon start basic now. Yeah, when I can nothing to clean time barbecue sauce for chicken. That's fair. Yeah, I'm going to put on guys some of the final the barbecue sauce. Yeah man guys, so remember this stuff. When you make if you don't chew up on chicken and now, you know, you get the final.
Exactly. Big piece of skin.
Okay, now we still know because I have a brush. Them don't know. Yeah man guys, so this is how we jerk barbecue orange chicken, right? Yeah man, so you look nice, full of char and nice. Well guys, me personally like it, but I must say it's not good for you, right? It's cancerous, them say, or you can live with cancer. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat them cheap pieces you can eat. No, this no one soak some more, so I take the 2 leg and thigh and give him the breast to go share himself and to go share up, right? Yeah, man, can't put it me cooking never. So I eat 1 chicken in leg and the thigh, we do one plantain, I'm good. Yeah, so I know if we get it clean up or peel and consume. Alright. Yeah man guys, so what going here? Stop burying me. Yeah, anyways, let me say my jerk barbecue chicken and my roast plantain. Plantain, clean some more still. But yeah man, I it's more time for the gigs and taste what Gwaan. That nice chicken now. The game time. Tender, nice. Bad. So guys, remember, if you like, comment below and tell me what you think about the video, how much you can look. I'm gonna say I will try to watch the ads or most of it, right? Because that's all my revenue. Yeah. And share it out. You put the plate.
Oh, see that? Now my plate this.
So okay, doing it then. And me?
Yeah, me carry down
Alright,
now my plate. Mommy Sunday plate.
And sip it in there. Yeah man guys, see them big breasts there. The belly must full. That know that you're your granny.
Why you?
Yes. I'm not going to that pizza. You can't take it.
Take what?
That
Ketchup?
me Virgin. You hungry man? I say hungry? No bro. You man can't take it. It's sweet yo.
I say if you cook man.
See you cook man. Catch him, my hand yourself.
Yeah guys.
So I know we clean up.
See up with your friend them, you see it? Yeah. I use some big old chicken, see there? Yeah.
Him one eat but half one chicken.
Guys, here I met you. See if your friend them, you see it?